we acknowledge the Ministry of Health's efforts in combating COVID-19, we also recognize the milestone achieved by the Ministry in sustainable development. The Ministry has implemented various initiatives to achieve a green building status, which also provides for sustainable healthcare facilities. And the Ministry was recently awarded a gold rating for leadership in energy and environmental design for operations and maintenance for its hospital Sultanah Maliha in Langkawi. The prestigious award conferred by the US Green Building Council makes this facility Malaysia's only US GBC LEED version 4 certified government building. I'm pleased to share that it is the only such gold-rated building in Malaysia and the only hospital to have received this rating in the world.